Some more 3D shapes. A scale diagram of a net of a polygonal based prism with the scale used as shown in each part. We'll have to write down the values of P, Q and R, hence or otherwise calculate the surface area of each prism. Okay, let's look up here. We've got a 2 for box here. I'll just change color to red. So 2 by 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2s are 12. And 2, 3, 4 2s are 8. And along here we have R, 2 2s are 4, which is this R over here. So surface area, we have 2 pairs of each. We have 2 12 by 8s. We have 2 12 by 4s. And we have 2 4 by 8s. So 12 8s are 96, and 2 96, 192. 2 by 48 is 96, and 2 by 32 is 64. So we've got 160 plus 192, which is 352. And we're dealing with area here, centimeters squared, is the surface area. I know we're asked for on that one. We've got a triangular prism, so our box is now 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 5s are 20. 2, 3, 4, 5 5s are 25. So we need the diagonal of the triangle. So we have 3 5s here, 15, and inside here 4 5s, which are 20. We just jot that triangle down, it may help. 20, 15. Now that's on the same ratio as my 3, 4, 5 triangle. Multiplying all my sides by 5, I'm going to get 25 up here, just as a little alternate way to look at these similar triangles. So we have 25 for the diagonal, and then we want to get the surface area. So we have 2 triangles, which will make up a rectangle. So base by height, so the 2 triangles are going to be 15 by 20, which is 300. That's these 2 taken care of. Okay, number 1, we have 20 along here, and we have 15 along here. So we just got 20 by 15. Which is 300. Number 2 here, we have a 20, it's a square, so we have 20 by 20, which is 400. And then we have our 25 by 20, which is 500. And 900 and 600 is 1500. And that's centimeters squared for the surface area. Number 11, a square base pyramid is shown. So we have a 4-sided pyramid. Its base is 6, and its height, we're seeing this perpendicular in the middle here. I'll just kind of connect it a little bit here. If you have this perpendicular going up in the middle, is a height of 4, and that's all we're given here. So draw an accurate net of the shape. Okay, so we're asked to draw an accurate net of this 4-sided square base pyramid, so a 4-sided pyramid. So we have a square base. Each side of the base is 6 centimeters. 6 cm all the way around. And then we have 4 triangles that make up this pyramid, going up and down. So, and the height of those is 4, we're told. The height of the pyramid, the perpendicular height normally, is 4. And we're asked to draw an accurate net. Well, that's all that we need for the net. So hence or otherwise calculate the surface area of the pyramid, right? Well, we have 4 triangles. The area of each triangle is half the base, which is 6, by the perpendicular height which we're given to be 4. 6 fours are 24, half of 24 is 12, 4 12s are 48. We have to add on 6 by 6, which is the base, so 48 plus 36 is equal to 84 cm squared. And then we have a triangular base prism. So this is one where you can see here at the bottom of this prism we have 3 sides, and each face is made up of an equilateral triangle of side length 5. Well, if this is 5 here, this bottom piece, and this is 5, then the bottom must be an equilateral triangle of 5 as well. So the net of this shape, when we flip it down, it will be a triangle. So we take this as the base, 5, 5, and 5. One side is going to flip down there, maybe a little bit too high, just change that one to make it smaller. Approximately there. The one that's at this side is going to come down to here, and the one over here is going to come down to here. So it forms a bigger triangle, as so. So that's an equilateral triangular base prism. Construct an accurate net. Are we asked for the surface area or not asked for the surface area? Okay, so that's that question done. So we are in the book, actually it's on the next video, or it would be, but I left it out of the cut and paste. So work out the net of this prism here. It's just 4 triangles, they're all the same. The base, the perpendicular height. So can we see what this perpendicular height is going to be? So here, that's half the side, which is 5. Or the full length from here to here is the original triangle of 5. This side must be 2.5, half the base. So x here, x is equal to the square root of 5 squared minus 2.5 squared. So x has to be equal to, so on the calculator, this works out to be 4.33. So we have, if we wanted to get the area of this triangle, half the base, which is 5, by the perpendicular height, which we've just worked out. And we have 4 of these, so times 4. So that's going to give us, so it's 4 by a half is 2, by 5 is 10, by 4.33 is 43.3 cm squared.